The essence of democracy. Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather to reflect on the cornerstone of our society, democracy. Democracy is not merely a political system but a way of life, a manifestation of the collective will of the people. It embodies the principles of freedom, equality, and justice, and it is through this prism that we ensure that every voice is heard and every individual is valued. At its core, democracy is founded on the belief that every citizen should have a say in the governance of their country. It empowers individuals by granting them the right to vote, to voice their opinions, and to participate in the decision-making processes that affect their lives. This fundamental right fosters a sense of belonging and responsibility among the populace, ensuring that government remains responsive and accountable. However, democracy is not a static ideal but a dynamic process that requires constant nurturing and vigilance. It is incumbent upon each of us to actively engage in the democratic process, not only by voting but also by staying informed, advocating for justice, and holding our leaders accountable. The strength of democracy lies in the active participation of its citizens, who must work together to address societal challenges and promote the common good. Throughout history, democratic ideals have been challenged, and societies have had to confront various obstacles, from the fight for civil rights to the struggle against authoritarian regimes. Democracy has proven resilient in the face of adversity. These struggles remind us that democracy is a living entity, one that must be defended and cherished by each generation. In a functioning democracy, diversity of thought and debate are not just tolerated but embraced. It is through open dialogue and the exchange of ideas that we can reach a consensus that respects and incorporates different perspectives. This diversity strengthens our democracy by ensuring that it reflects the varied experiences and needs of our society. Yet, democracy is not without its flaws. Issues such as inequality, corruption, and voter disenfranchisement can undermine democratic principles and erode public trust. It is our collective duty to address these issues with transparency and integrity, striving to build a more just and equitable system for all. Education plays a crucial role in sustaining democracy. By fostering an informed and engaged citizenry, education empowers individuals to make knowledgeable decisions and to understand the importance of their participation in the democratic process. Schools and institutions must prioritize teaching the values and mechanics of democracy to prepare future generations for active citizenship. The media also has a vital role in a democratic society. A free and independent press is essential for informing the public, uncovering injustices, and providing a platform for diverse voices. It is imperative that we support and protect this freedom, ensuring that democracy remains transparent and accountable. In conclusion, democracy is both a privilege and a responsibility. It requires active participation, continuous effort, and a commitment to the values of justice and equality. As we reflect on the essence of democracy, let us renew our dedication to this noble ideal and strive to build a society where every individual has a voice and every voice is heard. Thank you.